Hey, what's up, guys? This is boy ZYN Hyper back at it again with another my channel, guys. So basically, I made a song. Um, so basically, I don't know if this is gonna be like a special or anything. Maybe I'll make a montage about it. But we hit 3 subscribers, so I just decided, hey, I've been secretly making music, so why not put it on my YouTube channel? Um, ZYN Ziv said that he liked it, so hopefully you guys too. So I'm gonna just play it, and here we go. Yeah, and that is the song, guys. If you're wondering what type of app that I used, yes, I do have Happy Wheels on my phone. Um, it's called GroovePad. It's really cool app. Yeah. After you're done making your music, you can go to like your little playlist. I mean, recently played. And you can go to like different types of stuff. Since I wanted to make some music like that, I obviously had to do the chill study beats. There we go. Boom. But yeah, guys. So that is literally it. Um, I don't know what I'm doing. Um, so just go. What you want to do is download the app and just mess around with it and see the best thing that you would like. By the way, these are not playlist, but if you click on the you can hear the person's music that they made. So maybe mine will go up. I don't know. Um, I might be using it in a montage. I have no idea, but probably not. So yeah, basically I might be making music for my montages now, which would be pretty insane. It would be pretty freaking cool. So yeah, I guess that was a little first, like, I don't know, first 3 subscribers special. I don't know, honestly don't know, but yeah, that's what I did with some really, really chillax beats, I guess. I just made something calm because I've been stressed out. Bro, I've been stressed out trying to record 1v1.lol. That's why I haven't been recording for about almost a week now. Um, so yeah, just a little reminder for you guys, so you guys won't get confused. Um, maybe if we hit like 10 subscribers, I'll do a Q&A. I have no idea. So if any of you guys are watching this video, you can just comment down below what you want to ask of me, and I'll do it. And yeah, I'll check the comments and I'll see about it, and maybe I'll do it. I'm not too sure, but I mean, I'll do it. But I'm just saying, like, if it's too serious, then I can't really, I can't do that. But yeah, so that is it, guys. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.